Hello boys, girls, and dogs. How are you? I hope everyone okay. Well, this video is only a audio test. I was seeing my videos and I realized the audio isn't too good. It's kind of poor. A lot of the most of the bits, the audio was below the middle. It's very low, and we feel kind of ruídos. I don't know the word in English, exactly word, but it's a noise. So I was searching on the Amazon some microphones, and I found some cool, at least I read and I think it's some cool and cheap microphones, like one here for £7, and there's a seller that shipped it to Brazil, but I think I will spend £20 to buy this microphone. But I was thinking, and I don't know how I will record video and audio on the same time from different sources. Now I record everything from the webcam. I have a Microsoft Livecam Cinema and make everything with it. I don't know how I will record the video from Livecam software, and I don't know if the microphone has a recorder software too, and how I will start to rec the microphone, then the video, and then I mix it on Corel. That's the software that I use to edit the videos. I don't know how make it, but I was looking the Corel, and there is a lot of filters, audio filters. So I decided to make this video to test some audio filters, and maybe if it's working, fuck the new microphone, fuck the £20 for it, and the worst part, waiting for the mail. Give it to me because you don't know the most of few people that see my videos are from another country, aren't from Brazil, and the fuck, I don't know the word, the mail service, the post office service in Brazil is very poor. Sometimes you make an international order and you're waiting 3 months to receive it. I'm waiting until now. One order from Amazon US on the Black Friday, one from Amazon Germany on the Black Friday. In fact, both isn't from Black Friday. It's from Cyber Week, I think. A week after Black Friday week. One order from Amazon Spain. This, I think, the end of January or February, I don't know. And another order from Amazon US, but it is more recently. And I know I have 95% of certain that of sure that everything is on the world, but it's lost on the post office for Sunday. They found it. Oh, let's go. Let's give it to the address. So I'm waiting this foreign box. And I forgotten what I was saying before it, but I found it there. Cool microphone that shipped to Brazil, but I don't know how record the video and the audio at the same time. So I decided to make this video to test some filters of the software. The software that I use is Corel Video Studio Pro. And if it works, I will not buy the microphone. And I don't know if I will buy the microphone. It's cheap, but I think it's work. But how, I don't know how I will make to record it at the same time. I'm afraid of buy it and don't work. So is it if someone see the video and know or using the software. I don't know, name me X to record the both and recording the different tracks, video track and the other track, or using the software W to start to press two buttons in two different softwares at the same time, and you will record everything okay, or oh, it's only clicking on the webcam software and then click on the microphone. Then you get, I don't know if someone know how make it, and they want to help me, please say. And I don't know if I buy it or don't. If someone has extra good microphone and they want send to me, okay, it's only ask my address and I will give it. I can. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.